Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those who are attending in online, guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Those who are attending in online, is my voice and screen is clear to all of you guys? Can you please check it? All of you get my voice and screen. Those who are attending in online. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Good afternoon, guys. And what we are discussing actually what we completed there. So language fundamentals we started in a language fundamentals overall. How many types are available? Five types. What are the five types there? Tokens, data types, typecasting, Java statements, arrays. These are overall five things are existed here. Next one is we started tokens anyway. In the tokens again, how many types are available here? Four types are available. What are the four types here? Identifiers, literals, keywords or result words, and operators. Right. After that, what we completed there? I think so. We completed literals. Sorry, identifiers we completed, and we are in literals part. Literals basics also we here we completed there. Number systems topic we started. Am I right? What we started there? Number systems. Good. All right, sir. Then what are the various number systems here we're having? Overall, four types of number systems are available. What are the four types of number systems here? Binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system. These are overall four types of number systems are available. All the above number systems are allowed in Java applications, but the default number system is what their decimal number system. What is the information about this binary number system? No, binary number system base is what the two, that is two input alphabet. What are the two input alphabet? Actually zeros and ones only. If you want to prepare any number in a binary number system, we must use only zeros and ones. We must not use any other one here. Observe carefully. Then what are the prefix values here we have to provide there? Either 0 small b or 0 capital B. Right. Next one is like what there some examples are given. There we understood valid cases and invalid cases. There are given a small note. What is that note here I given there? Observe carefully. Binary number representations are not supported by Java up to JDK 1.6 version. Java 1.6 or JDK 1.6, both the versions are same. Both the numbers are same here. Observe carefully. Binary number system representations are supported by Java right from its JDK 1.7 version. Right from JDK 1.7 version onwards, binary number system is supported. Binary number system is a new feature introduced by JDK 1.7 version. They are the points here we have to understand. Got it or not? Right, sir. After this, after completion of this particular one. All right, some examples already given there. Then after this, octal number system here we started. What is the meaning of this octal number system actually? Base is 8. 8 is the base value. Then input alphabet is like what there? 0 to 7. Prefix value is what there? 0, not O. Please remember this. What is the prefix value? No? 0, not O. That's okay, fine. There we have seen one example here already. All right, a few examples here we have seen there clearly. I think up to this part only here we completed. Am I right or not? All right, sir. Now here, I'm asking one question to all of you. Now try to answer for it. All of you observe carefully. Find the number system from the following statements. Find the number system from the following statements. Now, okay, I'm going to use two statements. Now, what are the two statements here? First one is int Listen carefully. 0, sorry, into A is equal to 0, 0, semicolon. Second one is into B is equal to only 0. That's it. Here we have to give answer for it. What exactly the number systems are available for this two numbers. Right, sir? Anyway, then binary number system in the sense 0 small b, 0 capital B prefix. That numbers must be provided with only what their zeros and ones. In the case of octal number system, numbers must be provided within 0 to 7. Even 8 is also be not included. 0 to 7, that symbols only we have to use. But that number must be prefixed with what there? 0. That number must be prefixed with what there? 0. I'll have to understand it clearly. All right, sir. Then after this, now here what we are able to get here, into A is equal to 0, 0 semicolon, into B is equal to 0 semicolon. That what we prepared clearly. Got it or not? All right, then after this, after completion of this, now let's come for this first one here. Into A is equal to 0, 0. All right, now tell me what is its number system actually? Think of it, 0, 0 is provided, 0 is first, that means the second 0 is a original number, first 0 is a prefix. Got or not? So now, then what is this number system actually? Octal number system. That's okay. Next one is what they know, into B is equal to 0, semicolon. So here only one symbol is available, only one number is available, that we have to take is a number. It means the no prefix value. Only 0 we provided in the sense, no prefix. See, without having number, how can we say prefix value? No? Yes, sir. If a number is available, then only prefix value will come. If without having number, how prefix value will come there? It is not possible. Got my point or not? That's why here, what's the point I'm telling there? Here, only number here we provided means that no prefix value. So, if no prefix value is available, in the sense, automatically, this is in what their decimal number system. If no prefix value is available in the sense, automatically, this is in what their decimal number system. In that way, here we are able to provide what their number systems. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my points or not clearly now? Right, sir. First one is what their octal number system. Second one is what their decimal number system. Clear. These are the two number systems what we understood clearly. That's okay, fine. Next one is decimal number system. Decimal number system. So not required to discuss anything about this decimal number system. Yes, sir. Is there any requirement to go for some discussion about it? No. Right from our childhood. Right from our childhood, we are using the same decimal number system. This is not the first time to use this decimal number system. Am I right or not? Right from childhood, we are using decimal number system. But basic information, minimal information I'm telling to you, try to understand this clearly. What is that minimal information here I'm telling there? First of all, now tell me, what is this base value for it now? Base value is what there? 10 is a base value. Am I right or not? What is the base value here now? 10 is a base value. That's okay. What is that input alphabet here now? Right, input alphabet is what there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to what there? 9 and 9. All right, sir. Then after this, prefix value. Prefix value. If you observe this, no prefix value. For decimal number system, we don't have any prefix value. Already in the example here, I said to you. Only one digit if you provide no. That means no prefix value is available. So by default, it will come under what there? By default, it will come under like a decimal number system. So here also be the same thing. No prefix value is available for the decimal number system. No need to have any specific examples for it. It's already clear-cut information for us now. Leave this one. Then what is the next one again? Now tell me hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. This is another one. What is this hexadecimal number system actually? What we are able to get here? What is the base value, sir? Now tell me 16 is a base value. Am I right or not? Base value is what there? 16. 16 is what there? Base value. Observe carefully. Input alphabet. What exactly that input alphabet now? 0, 9. Yes, sir. All 16 elements are available or not? So observe carefully. 0 to 9. These are okay numbers. We can think of it A to F are what there? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sir, got it or not? A is what there? 10. F is what there? 15. 0 to 15. Overall 16 elements. 0 to 15, 16 elements now. We can think of it. A value is what there? What is the weight is for A? 10. Weight is for B is what there? 11. 15 is what there? Sorry, F is what there? 15. Right, sir. In that way, here we are able to understand clearly. Next one is after that, any prefix is available to represent these numbers? No. Yes, we have some prefix to represent these numbers. We have to use either 0x, 0 small x, or 0 capital X. Either 0 small x or 0 capital X. That we have to use clearly. Alright, so now let's understand this clearly. Some examples. No. First, examples I'm telling you, try to recognize this. First of all, right, sir. Now understand this. Into A is equal to 10. Asterisk, I have taken this. System dot out dot println of A. System dot out dot println of A. Into A is equal to 10. System dot out dot println of A. Let me compare and execute this. This is normal content only. Java 430. Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Java space tester. Here we are getting output. Normal 10 is an output here. That's okay. Say for example, I want to represent this number as a hexadecimal number. 0 small x is a prefix here we have to provide. Now, if it is hexadecimal number, what is the decimal equivalent for this number? Right, the conversion here I said to you. Digits we have to take from right to left, but every digit must be multiplied with 16 to the power some value. That value should be in increasing order. Say for example, 0 star 16 power 0 plus 1 star 16 to the power 1. Tell me what values here we are able to get now. 0 star anything is 0 plus 1 star 16 power 1, that is 16. 16 is a value here we are getting. Now here we are getting what value here now? 16 is a value here we are getting. Output is also like what there? 16 here we are able to get. Now let me check this. Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Java space tester. Your output is what there? 16 is an output here we are getting. Not only small x, no. In place of this, we can use what there? Capital X. 0 capital X. Also here we are able to use. Java C space tester.java. Compiled successfully. Java space tester. Now here we are getting output is like what there? 16. Again here we are getting output is what there? 16 is an output here we are getting. Okay, right. So now this is a simple example here we can understand how to represent hexadecimal values in Java program here just by providing 0 small x or 0 capital X, but the symbols must be 0 to 9 and A to F. Right. Some other examples here I'm telling you, try to give valid and invalid cases here about this. So this one, first of all, now tell me int A is equal to 10 semicolon int B is equal to 0 small x 1 2 3 4 5 int C is equal to 0 capital X 6 7 8 9 ABC int D is equal to 0 small x DEF G semicolon. Alright, sir. Then what is the status of the first one? Now tell me. What is the status of the first one here? No, it is not. It is not a hexadecimal number. So it is what? It is a decimal number. It is a decimal number. Right, sir. It's okay. This is what their decimal number. Next one. What about the second one here? Valid or invalid now? 0 small x 1 2 3 4 5 as it is valid here. Next one is, what is the third one here? Valid or invalid? No. Valid. This is valid. What is the last one? Another one here? No. Valid or invalid? No. Invalid. Why it is invalid, sir? All right. G we provided here, but G is not in the alphabets of the hexadecimal number. At this type of questions only here we are able to get there. We have to recognize the points exactly. Why we are getting error, why we are not getting error. This kind of points here we have to understand. Okay, fine. All right, so now these are about like what their number systems here, what we are having. Try to recognize this. After completion of these points now, after understanding this, overall information about the number systems here we provided, but few internal points here I want to talk with you. Try to understand these internal points. Point number one, note. Listen carefully. If we provide any number in any number system in a Java program, if we provide any number in any number system in a Java program, compiler, who is that? No, compiler will convert the provided number from the provided number system to the decimal number system. When we compile the program, compiler will convert the number from provided number system to the decimal number system. Compiler and JVM will process that numbers in a decimal number system only. Output value will be generated in what their decimal number system only. That's it. There's a simple internal content here we can understand. Even though we provided number systems in our Java program in any number system, finally that numbers are going to be converted from the provided number system to the specified, that means decimal number system, where internal calculations are going on what their decimal system only. Output value will be generated on what their decimal system only. This point here we have to understand clearly. Right, sir? All right. Now the point is what there. If we provide any number in any number system in a Java applications, okay, Java applications, then compiler will convert the provided number from the provided number system to the decimal number system in a compilation process, where the compiler and JVM will process the number like decimal number, and JVM will provide the output values in the decimal number system only. That's it. Understand this clearly. If we provide any number in any number system in Java applications, then the compiler will convert the provided number from the provided number system to the decimal number system in a compilation process, where the compiler and JVM will process that number as like decimal number, and JVM will provide the output values in the form of the decimal number system only. Is that all of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. That's okay, fine. Next one is, after that, one more point here we have to recognize. What is this point here? In Java applications, we are able to perform all arithmetic operations between the numbers which are in a different number systems. Observe carefully. What is the point I am telling there? In Java applications, we are able to perform all arithmetic operations between the numbers which are in a different number systems. Up to now, we have seen addition operation, subtraction, multiplication, division between only decimal numbers you might be seen up to now. But my requirement is what there. One number is available in binary number, another number is available in octal number. Then I want to add these two, or I want to perform some subtraction operation, or I want to perform multiplication operation between. Sir, all of you get my point or not? Then we are able to perform all these operations between the numbers which are in two different number systems. That is possible here in the case of Java. Now we are going to understand how it is possible. Examples we are going to understand it. See this kid. For example, I want to take directly int a is equal to 0 small b 1010. Okay. Int b is equal to 0. Then what I want to be provided here 1 2 for example. So got it or not? So what exactly the value is here? A is of what type here? No. What is that number system there? Binary number system. B is in what number system? No. Octal number system. Got it or not? Now in this scenario, then what I am trying to do there? System dot out dot println of a plus b. System dot out dot println of a minus b. System dot out dot println of a star b. Like any type of operation here we can perform. All right, what is going to be happen here? Observe carefully. First, when a compiler recognized these two numbers, first these two are converted to the decimal number system. Tell me guess, what is the decimal equivalent for these numbers? No? Right, exactly 10 now. 0 star 2 power 0 plus what next one here? 1 star 2 power 1 plus again 0 star 2 power 2 plus 1 star 2 power what next one here? 3. Now observe carefully what values here we are getting. 0 star anything is 0 plus 1 star 2 power 1 in the sense like what there 2 plus again 0 star anything is 0 0 plus what we are getting there no here 1 star 2 power 3 2 cube 2 cube is what there 8 then what's the value here no 10. Sir, all of you are following or not? This already aware about this type of conversions. Just I'm converting from binary to decimal conversion here out done. Tell me what about this one? This is in which number system now? Octal number system. Now convert from octal to decimal here. What we are going to do now? 2 star 8 power 0 plus what next one here? 1 star 8 plus 8 power what there? 8 power 1. Now tell me here. What's the value here we are able to get now? 2 star 8 power 0. That means 2 star 1. Am I right or not? 2 plus 1 star 8 power 1. 1 star 8 power 1 is what there? Come on. 8. So what's the value here we are getting there? No? 10 is the value here we are getting. Okay. Both the cases we are getting 10 value. Okay. No issues. Values we have taken like that. 10 plus 10. Now the 10 a plus b. A value is what there? 10. B value is also be what there? 10. 10 plus 10. What's the value here? No? 20. A minus b. What's the value here? 0. Alright, sir. Then 10 star 10 now. What's the value here? No? 100. Let's check this. How these values are coming there. 20, 0, 100. Java C space tester.java compiled successfully. Java space tester. What values here we are getting there? No? 20, 0, 100 values here we are getting. Clear or not? Alright, so now this is one simple example here we can understand. And I'm right next class onwards. I'm requesting to all of you. Everybody has to bring notebooks. At least some rough note here we have to bring. Why? Because we are going to do some exercise inside the classes there. Examples I'm going to give there inside the classes. Better to bring that notebooks there. I think all of you are having notebooks, right? Fine. So if you're having notebooks now, then try to answer for my questions now. Take this program along with me, all of you know. Come on, take this program. I'm going to give a program now. You have to give answers for it. Yes, right. Aditya, it's right. 3 zeros if you provide no, then 3 zeros in the sense like what there. First one is a prefix, remaining 2 zeros are like what there. Zeros only. Then the value is what there, zeros only. Okay. All right, sir. All of you have taken. All right, now see this. I'm going to give examples, try to evaluate them. System.out.println of 0 small b 1100 plus 0x12. Right? Just one, let first of all take this total program. After that we can find the outputs. This is one thing. System.out.println of 0x 0x a1 a1 minus 0x a1 minus 10. System.out.println of 0 12 0 12 star 0 small b 0010. Right, calculate them. Three operations here we have to calculate. Clear? So what is the hint I am telling to you? Convert everything into the decimal, then perform the operations. It's very simple. So here I provided like what are there two things now. All right, sir. Now here 1100 that we have to be converted to what? Decimal. Then 0x12. 0x12 I given in another time also. So one time calculation is sufficient. Then some value here we are able to get it. Then after that we can perform addition operation. Similarly, remaining two things. Now here only 10 I provided. This is in what? Decimal number system. Directly you can perform it. Now here we are performing this one also. I think that values are given as simplified values. Simple values one I have given there for the sake of your easiness. But you have to give outputs. Calculate it. Are you calculate it? Right, sir. What are the outputs you are getting? First output is what? 13. 30. Okay. Then anyway, I didn't calculate it. I'm thinking about your answers. Any other output for the first one? 30 or any other one? Any other output? 22. 22. Any other output? Any other output? If we give more number of outputs, then my work is very simple. If all of you are giving the same output, it's a different situation. I'm expecting different outputs from all of you. 30, 22, any other output? 30. Okay. Any other output? Okay. Then second one is what? 150. Second one. 150. One. Any other output? 30. 30. 13. Yes. First one you are saying. First one is what there? What is it out? First one is complete. 13 you are saying, first one. Okay, nice. All right, sir. Now come on. Second output. 151 is one output. Any other one? I think people are not calculating. Calculate it. Second output is what? Second output, sir. 10. A. 8. Okay. Second output is 8, you are saying. Third one? 20. Any other outputs? Make it fast. Rare people are calculating mobile phones. Don't use mobile phones now. It's not good thing. Just I'm giving it this exercise for the sake of your practice only, not for the sake of applying your techniques. Even in examinations also might be, whatever the written test we are conducting there, people are in discussions totally. Even some people are, they open their notes also in mobile phone. Whatever the document I'm giving there, they open the document in the mobile phone. They are writing the exams. Just wait for the whoops exams. No, there I will give open book exam to you. No problem. In whoops already I had two papers there. Already nearly 100 questions are already available with me. I can conduct open book exam. We can prepare yourself. You can bring your any material regarding this object orientation. Then we can write the exam. Alright, sir. Then shall we compile and execute this? What outputs you are getting? First output is 22. Second output 6. Second output is 6. Oh. Third output 26. Okay, sir. Let me check it. So if you give right output, I will give 1000 rupees to you. If you give wrong output, how many of you are giving wrong output? Everybody has to give 1000 rupees each. My business will be very good. No modifications. One time answers are perfect. No modifications. Already one time already given option to you. So 1000 rupees, make it is ready. Java C space tester.java. No compilation error. Good. My program is right. Now I have to execute it. Huh? No second options here. Alright, sir. Can I execute now? Huh? How many of you are confident on your outputs? Right, sir. I'm executing now. Try to understand it. So 30, 151, and what's the next one here? 20. 30, 151, and 20. These are the outputs you are getting. Okay. 30 is okay. 151, okay. Then what is the last output, you know? 20, right. I think your answers are right. One answer is wrong. By mistake, no? Nobody will accept that mistakes now. No by mistakes. Okay, no issues. But anyway, we are getting output now. This is one thing we can understand it now. Right, sir. Observe carefully. This is the program here. What I have given. Outputs already we understood there. 1 minute. But this type of examples you are able to get in our exams also there. But try to evaluate this example. Try to practice this type of examples. Even if you go for OCJP examination, certification examination on Java, you may get this type of questions. At least one question we are able to get minimum from this number systems. That's why because of that reason only I included this topic. Actually, it is not required in the basic normal Java concepts now. But in the point of certification exams, we are able to get this type of questions now. That's why I included this kind of content. Okay, leave this one. Then after this, after completion of this point, so overall literals topic is completed. What topic is completed there? No, literals concepts are completed. Next one is after this literals now. Right, sir. Next one is I think do you require any explanation for this? Required any explanation for this? Okay, right. If you require this, I'll explain to you. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. Now this is the program what we prepared now. First of all, now observe carefully. First one here we are going to calculate. What is this first one, sir? Now tell me 0 small b double 1 double 0. Next one is what there here after this 0 x 1 2. Am I right or not? So first of all, now tell me. First of all, let's understand this. This one. So 0 small b double 1 double 0. It's a binary number. Convert into decimal. So right to left digits we have to take, but every digit must be multiplied by 2 with the powers, increasing powers. So what we have to take there now? Tell me here what we have to take there now. Observe carefully. First of all, 0 star 2 power 0 plus what next one? 0 star 2 power 1 plus what next one here? 1 star 2 power 2 plus what next one? 1 star 2 power 3. That's the value here we are able to get. Now tell me here, 0 star anything 0 plus 0. Then what next one here? 1 star 2 power 2. 2 power 2 is what there? 4. 4 is a value here we are getting plus 1 star 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is what there? 2 cube. That is what value here? No, 8 is a value. Am I right or not? 2 cube. Right, sir. Then what is the value here we are able to get? No, 12 is a value here we are getting. That's okay, fine. Finally, here the value is what there? 12. Now tell me here in this case, no, here also we know this is what number actually? This is in a hexadecimal form, right? So we need to convert from hexadecimal to decimal here. Observe carefully. Now 2 star 16 power 0 plus what next one here after this? No, 1 star 16 power 1. Am I right or not? All right, sir. Now tell me if it is a case now 2 star 16 power 0, what is the value here we are able to get? 2 plus 1 star 16 power 1, what's the value here we are getting there? 16. So here what's the value here we are getting now? 18. 18 is the value here we are getting. Now tell me addition operation here, what exactly the value is here we can understand? 12 plus what's that one here? No, 18. 12 plus 18, what's the value here we are getting there? Now tell me 30. 30 is the value here we are getting. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? This is the way to convert from, like first one is a binary to decimal. See, here the maximum thing is what there conversion only. Already I'm showing that how to convert from different number systems to decimal number system. You know, right? So this is okay, fine. Now let's come for the next one. You know, 0x a1. Right, sir. Now let us convert this one. 0x a1. What is this actually? 0x a1. Now tell me here, what is this one? 1 into, this is actually what number system now? Hexadecimal number system. So first of all, convert this hexadecimal value into decimal. So what we have to do there? 1 star 16 power 0 plus a star, what next one here? 16 power 1. Am I right or not? 16 power 1. Right, sir. Then what's the value here we are able to get? 1 star 16 power 0 is what's the value here? 1. Then 16, that means a is what there? A is what there? 10. 10 star 16. 10 star, what's the value here? No, 16. Am I right or not? 10 star 16 in the sense, what's the value here? No, 160. Am I right or not? 160. Now tell me, what's the value here we are getting there? No, 161. This is the value here we are getting. That's okay, fine. Next one is what, sir? Here, what's the value here we are getting there? Next one, no. All right, sir. 161 minus 10. No need to convert the 10 value. Already it is in decimal form. Right, sir. Now tell me, what's the value here we are getting there? 151. This is a value here now. Right, sir. 151. Here we are getting. Now tell me. Here, no changes on it. No. 0. Right, now this is what the 0 only, not 0x. 0. Okay, fine. Now let's complete this one. First of all, now tell me 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 is what there actually? Come on, octal number system. Convert from octal number system to decimal system. So what we have to do there? 2 star 8 power 0 plus what next one here? 1 star 8 power, what next one here? 1. Only these two things. Now tell me here, what we are getting there? 2 star 8 power 0 is what there? 2. 2 plus 1 star 8 power 1. Then what's the value here? No, 8. Then what's the value here? No, 10. 10 is the value here we are getting. That's okay. Next one is what there? What next one here? Observe carefully. 0 small b 0010. Tell me what's the value here? No, 0 star 2 power 0 plus what next one here? No, 1 star 2 power 1. Remaining things are not required. Why they are not required? No, 0 stars only. Both are zeros only. This is sufficient here. Now tell me here, what value here we are able to provide? 0 star anything is what there? 0. Leave it. Next one is what there? 1 star 2 power 1. What is the value here? No, 2. 2 1 is the value here. Now here, what is the equation here? No, 10. 10 star, what is the value here? No, 2. 10 star 2 is the, what's the value here? No, 20. 20 is the value here we are getting. So final outputs are what there? 30, 151 and 20. So these are the equations here we are able to understand. So okay, if we want to use this, we can use this. The rough calculation I given there, but in a proper format we can calculate it so that you are able to get some outputs. Alright, sir. Fine. Leave this particular content here. In this way, we can go for number of examples, guys. Just I've given only model, but you can go for your own values. You can take it now. You can start your implementation part. Then we are able to get it. But final thing is what there? Provide any number in any number system. Finally, that numbers are going to be converted to what their decimal. Calculations are going on what their decimal values only. That's it. Not more than this. Okay. Leave this one. After this, after completion of this particular content here, next one is keywords and reserved words. Keywords and reserved words. Next one. Keywords and reserved words. All of you observe carefully. What exactly the keyword and what is the meaning of reserved word? For example, listen carefully, all of you know. I'm asking one question to you. Try to answer for it. For, I think all of you might be aware about this loop. For int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, then inside this, a set of intersections here we are able to write system.out.println, SOPL in the sense system.out.println. I want to display some I value, that's okay. That's it. Little bit I want to talk about the internal flow of execution, try to understand it. When JVM executes this particular instruction, first what JVM is doing, sir? Now tell me. First JVM is coming to the expression 1 or not? JVM will come to what their expression 1. Am I right or not? When JVM is coming to the expression 1, when expression 1 is completed, after that immediately JVM is coming to what their expression 2. Expression 2 is what their conditional expression. Here two cases are available. If this conditional expression result is true, body will be executed. Am I right or not? If the conditional expression result is what there true, then body will be executed. When body is executed, flow of execution will come to what there I plus plus expression 3. Expression 3. Okay, right. Next one, when expression 3 is completed, flow of execution will come to what there expression 2. When expression 3 is completed, flow of execution is coming to what there expression 2. Again expression 2 returns true, then what will happen there? No, body will be executed. Again it will come to the expression 3. Again expression 2. If expression 2 returns true value, again body expression 3. Same loop is going to be happen. How long that loop is going to be evaluated here? How long that expression 2 returns true value? Up to the time that loop is going to be provided. Once expression 3 returns false value, if expression 2 returns a false value, what will happen there? From here itself, flow of execution is coming to like what there outside of the loop. Flow of execution is coming to like what there outside of the loop. Observe carefully. From here, from the condition itself, flow of execution will come to like what there outside of the loop. When it is a case here, no, when expression 2 returns what value here, no, false value. If expression 2 returns true value, body will be executed. If expression 2 returns false value, flow of execution will come to what there outside of the respective loop. Is it got or not? Now this is the total flow of execution inside the for loop. I think all of you might be familiar with this particular topic. Am I right or not? All of you are familiar with this particular topic. I think so. Clear. Now I'm asking one question to all of you guys. Now try to answer for it. When JVM is coming to this instruction, first directly JVM is coming to the expression 1 only. First directly JVM is coming to what? Expression 1 only. Why it is not coming to expression 2 directly? Why it is not coming to expression 3 directly? Why it is coming to only expression 1? How JVM knows about it? How JVM knows about it? We have to go for only expression 1 first, after that one expression 2. And if expression 2 returns true value, JVM is executing body. How JVM knows about it? If it returns true value, then we must execute only body. That means this total flow of execution is a fixed flow of execution or not? The total flow of execution is what there? Fixed flow of execution. How JVM knows about this fixed flow of execution? Who has given this flow of execution to the JVM? Who is providing this total direction to the JVM? If we come for this particular point, answer is very clear. Try to understand it. No, this entire flow of execution, is provided to the JVM by a predefined word. That predefined word is what there? FO or for. There's a predefined word. That predefined word has the internal functionality, this total flow of execution. When JVM is coming to FO or for, when JVM is executing FO or for keyword is executed internally, where this entire internal flow of execution is available. That entire internal flow of execution was given to the JVM. As per this flow of execution only, JVM is executing the total content. Yes, all of you are getting clarity on this point, no? So here the point is what? What is a predefined word here in this entire story? FO for is a predefined word. It has word recognition in Java and it has internal functionality or not? It has word recognition and it has internal functionality or not? Right. If any predefined word has word recognition and has internal functionality, then that predefined word is called as a keyword. That predefined word is what there? A keyword. Yes, sir. All of you are getting done or not? What exactly the meaning of keyword? Here I'm telling there directly. Straightforward definition here I'm telling there. Observe carefully. If any predefined word has both word recognition and internal functionality. If any predefined word has both word recognition and internal functionality, then that predefined word is called keyword. That predefined word is what there? Keyword. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? What exactly the meaning of keyword here? We understood it clearly. Okay. Next one is after this. What are the various keywords which are provided by Java? What keywords are available inside the Java? At least a basic list of these keywords here I'm going to provide. Now try to understand it. To prepare Java applications, Java has provided the following list of keywords. What are the various keywords which are available here? Categorizations point of view, I'm going to give the keywords. Now try to understand first. First of all, here we have to understand data types and return types. Right, sir. Data types and return types. What are the various data types and data types now? Byte, we can understand. Short, int. Then after this, what there? Long. Next one is what there? Float. What next one? Double. What next one? You know, boolean. What next one? Char. Right, sir. Then after this, then we have to use what there? Void. String is not a primitive data type. String is a class in Java. String is what there? Class in Java. Class in the sense user defined data types. Okay, got my point or not? So we cannot include the string. Right, sir. Now these are like what I'm telling to you, data types and return types, related keywords. Next one is after this, access modifiers. Access modifiers. In Java, please remember this. In general, public, protected, default, and private. Four things are available. In general, we used to say they are what their access specifiers. Am I right or not? Public, protected, default, and private are what their access specifiers. In general, we are able to say that. But in Java, there is no terminology like what their access specifiers. In Java, there is no terminology like what their access specifiers. We have the terminology only what their access modifiers. These access specifiers are also become inside what their access modifiers. Understand it clearly. So what are the various access modifiers are available in Java? We can understand it. First one is public. Next one is what there? Protected. Then after that, private. Default keyword is available in Java, but not representing a scope. Default is available. In switch cases, we can use default case now. but that is not for what their scope representation. Understand my point clearly? So keyword default is not available to represent a scope, but keyword default is available in Java. That is for different purpose. That's why I have not included that here. Now public, protected, and private. Next one is what there static. Then after this what next one final. Next one is what there abstract. Then after this what next one get native. What next one get volatile. Then after that what next one get no synchronized. Synchronized. Then after this synchronized what next one get no transient. Next one is what there strict FP. Yes, sir. Getting my point or not? And so on. If anything is remaining now. So these are like what there, all the access modifiers, then what we are having clearly. Public, protected, private, static, final, abstract, native, volatile, synchronized, transient, strict FP. These are like what their access modifiers. Now, next one, point number 3. All of you understand this clearly, what I'm telling there, number 3. All right, sir. Now, flow controllers. What next one, you know, flow controllers. What are the various of flow controllers here? In Java, if you observe this, say for example, we can understand first of all if, else, if, else, then what next one here? After completion of this, for, next one is what there, while, do, then what next one here? Break, then what next one? Continue, break, continue. Next one is what there? Switch, then what next one? Case, then what next one? Default. Inside the switches, case to default are available. If else, for, while, do, while, that means while, do, that's it. Do, while, again, while is different, already existed. Break, continue, switch, default, and so on. If anything is remaining, that we are going to include. So these are about like what are their flow controllers here, what we are having clearly. Next one is after this, class or object related keywords. Class or object related keywords. Let's see this one. What are the various things are available here? Class. Then after this class, next one is what there? Extends. Next one is what there? Interface. Next one is what there? Implements. Then after this, new keyword. Next one is what there? This keyword. Super keyword. Then after this, package. Then after this, import. Right? Next one is what there? Enum. Enum is also existed here. And so on and so on and so on. Anything is remaining here, we can implement it clearly. Yes, sir? Instance of is an operator. Okay, then keyword come operator, but in general we can think it is of what their operator. What's the purpose of it? Yes, objective representation. Okay, I'll discuss about it, don't worry. At the end of the object orientation, I will discuss that. Just to check whether a reference variable is representing an instance of a particular class or not. For the sake of checking that, we are going to use instance of operator, but not understandable now at present. Okay, don't worry. Then trust me, I'll give every point in the Java. Okay, but point by point, I'm going to give gradually, step by step. I'm talking now, right? Right, sir. Let's move on to the point here. Next one is after that, after completion of this, another one is after this class or object related things. No, next one is we are going to understand. See, package and import I given that. That's okay, fine. Next one is exception handling related keywords. Exception handling related keywords. Some keywords are existed here related to this exception handling. We are going to understand them. What are the various keywords? No, observe carefully. Throws. Next one is what there? Throw. Next one is what there? Try. Next one is what there? Catch. Next one is what there? Finally. That's it. Now these are the exception handling related keywords now. Max, these are the various things here we can understand. Now check it. What we are having there now. So data types and return types. If you have to this byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, char, void. Void is a return type. No, it's not a data type actually. But remaining things are what they're data types. Access modifiers. Public, protected, private, static, final, abstract, native, volatile, synchronized, transient, and strict FP. Flow controllers. If, else, for, while, do, break, continue, switch, case, default. If anything is remaining, we can include that. Class or object related keywords. No. Class extends, interface, implements, new, this, super, package, import, enum. Is it? String is a class type. No, it's a user-defined class, right? It will not include that. It's not a keyword. It's a class name. String is a class name, guys. Don't get any confusion, guys. String is what there is a class name. In which way we are taking exception is a class. In which way we are thinking employee is a class. A customer is a class. Similarly, that string is what there is a class in Java. Okay, right, sir. Right. These are max information here. It's okay. If anything is remaining here in the on flow, we are going to discuss about the content here, and the right topics are coming for us. There we are going to understand it. No, but maximum these are the various keywords which are available in Java. That's okay, sir. Then what about this reserved words actually? What exactly the meaning of reserved words now? What we are thinking there? Now, first of all, tell me, by seeing this total diagram, we understood what is a keyword. Tell me, sir, what is a keyword here? How we are able to define this keyword now? Keyword is what there? A predefined word which has both word recognition and as well as what there? Internal functionality. A predefined word which has both word recognition and what there? Internal functionality. Then it is what there is a keyword. Am I right or not? Similarly, what is the meaning of this reserved word? Actually, if any predefined word, if any predefined word has only word recognition without the functionality, without the internal functionality, if any predefined word has only word recognition without the internal functionality, without the internal functionality, then that predefined word is a reserved word. The predefined word is what there? Reserved word. Correct or not? So what are the various reserved words? Here we are able to see, no, in Java, go to is one reserved word. Next one is what there? Constant is another reserved word. Go to and const. These two are the reserved words. But one small note here we have to understand, no? All of you observe carefully. Just read, understand this one. In Java applications, we are able to use keywords directly. We are able to use keywords directly, but we are unable to use reserved words. We are unable to use reserved words. If we use reserved words in Java applications, then compiler will raise an error. Then compiler will raise an error. Observe carefully, all of you know. All right, sir. So what are useful inside our Java programs? No, only keywords. Reserved words are not useful. If you are trying to use reserved words in Java, there we are able to get what there? Compilation error. Go to, why? Because why we are getting compilation error now? Tell me. So if we use reserved word, there we are getting compilation error. Then why we are getting compilation error? The point is what? They are having only word recognition, but they are not having internal functionality. And without having internal functionality, if we access them, compiler will search for its internal function or not. But no internal function is available without having functionality. What is the use of using that reserved words inside the Java? That's why compiler is giving an error. Moreover, Java people have given information here. Whenever we are giving implementation for these reserved words, then we can use them. But without having implementation for the reserved words, how can we use these reserved words inside the Java? So it is not possible here. So because of that reason, without having any internal definition, we are unable to use the predefined words. So that predefined words are what their key reserved words. That reserved words we are unable to use in our Java application. Keywords are having internal functionality. So for example, int I is equal to 10, I provided. Int is what their data type now. I is equal to what their variable is equal to 10, I provided. Then internally what happened? What is the functionality of the int? What you are understanding about the int internally? Here the point is what there. What is the point here I'm telling to you? When we provide int I is equal to 10, JVM will provide 2 bytes of memory for integer variable. JVM is providing what there? 2 bytes of memory for the internal I variable. Then who is assigning the 2 bytes of memory? JVM. How JVM is providing 2 bytes of memory? On the basis of what JVM is providing 2 bytes of memory? Is it? All of you are getting these questions or not? So when I provided int I is equal to 10, JVM is providing 2 bytes of memory internally for I variable where 10 is a value was stored. But how JVM knows about it? How JVM is providing 2 bytes of memory only? Why it is not 4 bytes of memory? Why it is not 10 bytes of memory? Why it is only 2 bytes of memory? Who has given this information to the JVM? Exactly. That predefined keyword, that is what there, int. The predefined keyword int or byte, whatever it may be, the 2 bytes of memory is assigned as per like what there, int data type. Actually, for integers, 4 bytes of memory in Java, not 2 bytes of memory. And of course, C and C++, it might be what there, 2 bytes of memory, but in the case of Java, 4 bytes of memory for what there, integers. No. Yes, sir. Are you following or not? So this is exactly the meaning of like what there, keywords and the reserved words. The content here we have used it. Yes, sir. All of you are following or not? Next one, after completion of this, then what next one here? Operators. Operators is the next topic. Operators. Okay. Right, sir. The good thing is today almost all the members are understanding the content properly. Moreover, the depth of the concept is nothing. Very simple concepts only. That's why everybody is understanding. Of course, you are totally silent, but your mind is working now today. Nobody is sleeping. I understood it clearly. Perfect day. So almost all everybody is inactive. But I think so last class or before that, I think so. Almost all 70% of the people are sleeping inside the class now. Even yesterday, my 6 o'clock people, might be the same scenario is happened there. But half of the members are not attended yesterday's class. Actually, Sunday class I have taken there. Half of the members are not attended. Remaining half of the members are attended there. In the remaining half of the members also, continuously they are watching their mobile phones. I didn't get what they are doing now. I thought of it might be they're chatting with their friends there. Later I came to know they're watching the IPL cricket match now. Then yesterday that cricket match was in between Gujarat Titans and what is that other player there? No? Might be that match. No, might be people are very much interested on it. Then at one point, what I have done there, everybody they are looking on their mobile phones like this. Their heads are totally down. What they are doing with their mobile phones? If one person is chatting is okay. Two members are okay. All these many members are what they are doing with mobile phone. I observed carefully. Then I identified their cricket match is completely in silent mode. Cricket match is going on there. Okay, I understood that. I came to know then how all the members are getting subscription actually for this IPL matches now. By the time I understood that, Geo Cinemas is an app now. 1 year free of cost. People are using that. Even they are giving suggestion after the class. Try to install yourself also, sir. See, really, the hats up to the Geo people actually. But of course, they're having their internal intentions there. See, initially when Geo network they are introducing now, 1 year of time completely they are giving internet free. Even by the time I recognize it at my home. Actually, I came from some village there. Previously, before the Geo network, when I go to my hometown, where when I'm talking with my friends there, those are farmers there, my classmates only, but they're not continued their study there. They're in agriculture. Then I used to talk with them. What we are doing there? They don't know even what is WhatsApp and all these things. They didn't have much awareness on mobile phones. Even they're not having smartphones. Before that, they're having only 1500 Nokia pieces, small basic pieces only. Only they knows about only two buttons: red button, green button. Not having aware about it. When Jio was introduced, after 5 to 6 months of time, when I go to the same village, no, same place, same friends, when I talk there, everybody they're having smartphones, no. Everybody they're having smartphones. Even people are like what there. So they're doing some kind of agriculture. They're at the other side, they're watching like what they're in video calls now. They're doing some work, their field work, and they're in video calls. Then by that I understood then how much rapid changes are there in India because of the Geo network only. Now again now at present the new trend is what there, Geo Cinemas, that app now. And moreover, they are giving total IPL matches are free of cost. Yes, sir? Maybe of course next onwards when IPL matches are completed, when 1 year of time is completed, they will start their game. Already they started already in Geo network, right? But anyway, then good. They had their own thought. They are in a business, right? They are implementing that business. But whatever it may be, whether you are going to see, they are not forcing you to take that like SIM cards and all these things, right? But they are giving 1 year of plan, then we are utilizing it. What's the problem to us? After that, we will decide whether we are going to continue with it or not. Okay, sir. Good, nice, very good. But so don't go for that habituation gear. And one more thing, one more experience I had recently. At very starting mode, when World Cup matches are there, right? Previously, cricket, I think so. Uh, Cricket and what next one? Then after that, some football World Cup matches, FIFA World Cup matches are there. Casually, when I'm in the actual casual discussion with the students, no, I used to say some predictions actually. Today this match, this team will win the match. This team will win. Unfortunate or fortunate, I don't know. Whatever the predictions I given, all my predictions are right, including FIFA World Cup final. Everything are given. Then later on, when these IPL matches are started there, gradually my 6 o'clock students are coming to me. They ask to me, sir, today there is a match. Which match will win now? One day I asked him, I think so, 2 days before I asked him, Are yaar, why you are asking daily to me, then what you are doing there now? He said to me, I'm in betting, sir, IPL betting now. Are yaar. Then from that point onwards, I stopped my predictions now. But luckily, every prediction is right. Whatever the predictions I have given in my classes there. It's an open discussion only. But I given that prediction, they are right. That is unfortunate. What I have to do now? Then people are coming to me, they're asking me. Not only that, one of our classmates, then he shown that message to me in WhatsApp now. Then some other student is in some other institute. He sent message to him. I asked to sir, which team will win today now? Uh, right? How much people are there inside this class in the sense? This is a story now, right? See, one thing I'm telling that this stage and all these habituations are okay up to some level. Up to some level, these matches, IPL matches, and everything, they are secondary, not primary. Your primary goal is what their Java, but don't replace that. Your secondary thing is what their entertainment. But what people are doing nowadays, no, they are interchanging. Primary is an entertainment, and secondary is what the Java. No, don't go for it. Java is your primary. Secondary is what there that entertainment. Maybe IPL matches or movies or whatever it may be. Yes, sir. Got it or not? Fine. So don't go for such kind of things. Habituation. Don't go for addiction. That's the point I'm telling you. Okay, entertainment is required. Just for fun, it is required. 1 or 2 days of time. Maybe up to IPL matches. But it should not be in a position like to go for bettings and all these things. Definitely in the betting games, in the betting softwares, maybe first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, maybe chances are available to get money. But fourth onwards, definitely you are going to be lost. At the end of the story, if we calculate all the things, definitely you are in losses. You're in losses, I'm sure about it. So don't go for such kind of things. So they are not at all good habits. IPL bettings are uneducated people, they are going to do that in outside. Or maybe over-educated people will do that. But our story is not like that. So we have to study properly, we have to get jobs. As early as possible, we have to get jobs. Understand it? Now the season is also not much good in outside. Maybe then dry season is going on. It may take maybe few months of time. Even myself also I'm waiting for eagerly for that season. Season in the sense not like these trends and all. And outside software industry, when it is going to be pick up, I'm waiting for that. As per my awareness, maybe June or July months. In these months, maybe some startup might be then. What I'm telling there, opportunities are going to be start. Drives are going to be start. Even I had 2 companies in my hand. Already I've taken commitment from them. Continuously I'm in touch with them. 2 companies definitely in June or July they will come to Durgasoft. I'll give open opportunity for everybody. Meanwhile, you should be ready. Understand what I'm telling? Then out of these 2 companies, one company is looking for core Java people only. One company already they have given information that they require core. They had their own product. For their own product, core Java is a basic. So they want to give their own training after getting selected in the company. So then what I'm telling that be ready with the core Java content. Of course, in my own style, I'm going to take the content here. Up to my satisfaction, I'm going to take the classes on this core Java. But apart from this, if you want to speed up your content there, we can study. Already PDF material was there in the drive. Already whatever the videos drive we are getting there, where core Java PDF material is available, we can start our own study. Understand it, guys? What I'm telling there. Or else, if any of you required that previous batch videos, no, I'll think about to give that previous batch videos, but not immediately. If you give the previous batch videos, no, you may not continue in our classes here. But I want to see everybody inside the class in offline or as well as in a live class. If I give some resource to you, I knows about it. Maybe not all the members there. Definitely half of the members are going to be depending on that videos only. But their initial thinking is what they want to see videos, so they want to skip the class. But when they are going to see that video, it is never is going to be happen now. It's not going to be happen in the future. They will not sit in front of the video continuously. Yes, sir, am I right or not? Live class, you can sit even up to 2 hours, 3 hours, or 3 or 4 hours of time. But if you want to watch video continuously up to 4 hours of time, it is not at all possible. That's why even I'm giving videos now. Video support I'm giving for the sake of your future, not for the sake of what they're at present. Your primary thing is classes. Live classes we have to attend. Remaining thing is what there videos for the sake of backup only I'm giving that videos. If you have any doubt on any particular topic, if you want to visit once again, revise once again, then you can open the video. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. It's okay, fine. But the operators topic I want to discuss with you. Right, sir. Then operators part, yes, full stack also the recruitment drives are going to be happen. Yes, definitely. So nowadays every company is looking for full stack Java developer only. Even some companies are coming to the Durgasoft for the sake of full stack Java developers only. But some other companies are more specific. They are looking for the people those who are having good knowledge on core Java only. Maybe along with the core Java, little bit database awareness, little bit UI technologies awareness as per their requirement. But majority of the companies are looking for what their full stack Java developers only. Of course, some recession is going on in outside, but take this time as an advantage for you. Try to improve your skills. That's the point I'm telling them. Okay, fine. So before that, I want to give one small intimation, guys. I think previously already one time I have given discussion with you, but again I need to give that. Yeah, as I said to you previously, 14th of this month. Then today is what? 10th, 14th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. So there is an occasion at my home actually. There is an occasion at my home, right? So you're all welcome. You're all invitable. You can come to my home, no problem. But the thing is, I already given there. Minimum 1 lakh gift is required, not normal gifts. At least minimum one chain or bracelet. Then only you can come there. Okay, fine, no problem. Always invitable. But the thing is, what there? Just excuse for me for the 3 to 4 days of time, 4 to 5 days of time care. Why? Because then tomorrow I have to be start there to go for that occasion where some work is going on for me. Then my presence is mandatory there. Otherwise, I don't have any intention to miss your classes there. Even I thought of it to take this online, all the classes there. But once if I go there, but I don't know what is the status of me. Maybe myself, maybe I may be rotated, maybe near the places now. Why? Because of this occasion only. So some kind of celebrations are going in at my home. So excuse for the next 4 to 5 days of time. Then after that, after coming back here, definitely we are going to put more class on weekends also. Even I'm planning to take the class on Sundays also. Don't worry for it. Already had a clear cut plan, but these 4 days of time, then definitely I'll cover in the future. But excuse up to these 4 to 5 days of time, it is mandatory for me to go there. So tomorrow I'm going to start it. So tomorrow maybe morning time I may start for it. So tomorrow onwards, next 4 to 5 days of time, no need to come for the classes. Just take it as an occasion, unless unfortunate occasion there. Unfortunate in the sense unexpected occasion. Drag it no. Even if you want to go for your hometown, just you can go there and you can come back no. But when I come back no, maximum no holidays. Even on festival time also no holidays. I'll plan for it. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday also we are going to have long sessions. Sir, got it now. So when I'm going to come back there, max Friday is an occasion at my home. Maybe probably I will try to come on Saturday or Sunday, but I will give intimation to you when I am going to take the next class. But that is not in my hand. In the case if I come on Saturday, if I will come on Saturday, definitely I'm going to take class on Sunday. Next day, if I come on one day, the next day onward the class are going to be happen. Sure, damn sure. So, but be ready for it. But I will give an SMS to everybody, or else before come for the classes in the next one, try to get confirmation from the office, then only come for the class now. In the worst case, at any cost, in the worst case, Monday damn sure class are going to be happen. But before that, if I come now, I'll give an SMS to you. Through that, we can attend for the classes. But in the worst case, Monday onwards, our class are going to be happen. Understand the situation what I'm telling. Even myself also be not interested to miss out the classes max time. I'm going to put the classes only. But this is like what there is an occasion. It's a mandatory. Otherwise, might be then nobody will accept will accept a different thing, right? Right, sir. That's all, guys. Then probably we'll meet on Monday, next Monday. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, definitely, guys. We'll update in WhatsApp also. Don't worry.